This is the manual harness for WC1 and also for NE5, reproduction with the motorbike. The manual harness, we make two sections. So this is the front section, and this, let's say the front part, and this is the end part. This end part we assemble height inside of the rear fender, and then put this out for the tail lights and the turn signal on the rear part, the rear side. In order to introduce this manual harness for the customer, because many customer has a lot of questions on how to connect all these wires to the electrical components. Let's say we make this manual harness with our vendor. So all these electrical components, and we also buy from another manufacturer and vendors. So all these vendors has different wire supplier. So this means all this wire, because this vendor buy the wire by their vendor. This tail lights, they buy their wire from the other wire supplier. Even the headlights, turn signal, speedometer, tachometer, speedometer, controls. So all the wires from different vendors, they have they have the car difference. So this makes customer confusion when they assemble the manual harness with the electrical components. They doubt how, because there are many of the wires have the color difference problem. So in order to solve this problem, today we all use the adapter and socket, put them together. So the people, they don't need to care about the color of the wire. They just need to use the plug and socket and put them together. And for this manual harness used on their bikes. So now I show you how to use this manual harness and the rear part. First things, this front part and rear part, use this socket and adapter, put them together. So this is finished. Okay, no matter the color different, but they just fit together. Okay, so the front part and rear part already fit together. The rear part of the wire, there are 7 wires. Okay, so 3 wires of these 3 wires is for the tail lights. You see, the color is also different. So you can put yellow to yellow, because yellow has no colors different, and black to black, no colors different, and then green to blue, to green. Okay, so this is for tail lights, like this. And then these 4 wires for turn signal, 2 orange and black, blue and black for rear turn signal and the rear right hand signal, like this. So you just put black with black. Okay, and the other color you don't need to care about them. So you just put the other color like the green with blue, and the other side same thing. You use the black to black, and then don't worry about the color. So just put the green to the orange, and then later when you assemble, you operate the control. You will find the turn signal function to the right hand or to the left hand. So you can later adjust this, because this wire is outside of the bike. So you can very easy to change them. Okay, so this is the turn signal. Now we introduce the front part. Okay, let's introduce this part first. This too is for battery. Okay, for 1 amp small battery. And these two pieces is for engine. So you see, easy to adapt in socket and bracket. And then yellow to yellow, brown to brown. So this is for engine, for 5-wheel, like this. Okay. Now important part is the front part of this. Okay, all this. People can use all this adapter and socket and put them together, plug and socket and put them together. If you don't need some of the electrical components, like you don't need the headlight, you don't need the tail light, you can assemble the other electrical components first. After you peel off the tube, and then cut off the wire what you don't need, and then seal on. So make the main wire harness amount on your bike see very fit to your bike. But today I would like to introduce all functions for all these sockets and plugs. For example, this two plug is for horn, the long one. So this no negative or positive problem. You just put them on. This is the mount on your bike. This horn mount your bike. So this for horn. Okay, so this is for horn. And then this socket, this plug is for CDI. So very easy. Just put the socket, the plug into the socket like this. This is CDI. So this is a rubber you can put on the bike, the hanger of the bike or bracket of the bike. Now this, you see the shape like this. This is for the flasher, the 10 signal flasher. So you just put this on like this. Very easy to use this main wire harness with all the electrical components. And okay, so this one is for regulator, voltage regulator, and like this. Okay, so you don't need to care about the colors. Many people, they will ask why this color is different than the diagram of our sketch, the wiring sketch in our operation manual or instruction manuals. Because as I say, the vendor of the wire from our electrical components vendors, they buy the wires from some different kinds of the wire suppliers. So this is the reason. It confuses us too. also confused for the customer. So you can see this piece is for tachometer. This socket and this socket is for the tachometer light, like this. Okay, this is tachometer. So you just put the spark in like this. So you don't need to care about the colors, as I explained. Okay, so this is the tachometer light, like this. Just put in. So this match. Okay, so this one, because speedometer only needs the speedometer light. So you put this one also plug in like this. So this is for both of them, like this. And now, this is fuse. Okay, fuse. And this one is the for headlight. So you don't need to care about the inside of color. Maybe they fit with each other, maybe not, but you don't need to worry because you just use the plug and socket and put them together like this. So finished. And then this one is for the left hand control. So the same thing. You just need to put the plug on. You don't need to care about the colors of the adapter or even the color of the wires. So you just put the plug and socket together like this. Okay. So this is also for the control. So you see the control here is 2 holes in one socket. So you just put the brown to brown, similar like this. So just put them in, put it in, and then green with green, yellow, and put it in. The other 2 holes is for the right hand control, like this. So you see, yellow, green, put into yellow, green, and then this one put here. Okay, so here is also a plug for the right hand control. You can find it in here, not difficult to find, and just put it in like this. Okay, and now the main switch is the same, because this is the engine shut off wire. So put it with this one with the main switch together, and then the other plug is here. Same thing. Okay, plug with the socket, and then put them together. Don't need to care about the colors of the wires. Just put the plug with the sockets together. So and then here we also have the high tension coil for the spark plug. And here you see, not difficult to find, and use all these wires. So you see the brake color, the green color. So you see all the brake color cable wires. You just put it in. And this one you don't need to care about the color. Just put it in, and it can make the fire. So Okay, this is almost all the main wire harness already put all these electrical components with this wire and use them on your home built Whizzer reproduction Whizzer motorbike. And if you don't need the headlight, you can, as I say, you tear off the tube and then just shear and cut the wire and take the wire off. So you don't need the headlight. If you don't need the turn signal, if you can do the same way. The very important thing is this part. Only this part you can start the engine. Okay, just put this in and put this in. Make sure you put them tight because this part is really important. So just like this. So only this part with the main switch. When you turn on, the switch turn to the on, and then you can start the engine. You don't need to tear the other wires. If you don't need the tachometer, you cut the wire of the tachometer. If you don't need the speedometer, you cut the. If you don't need the speedometer need to have the lights, and then you cut the wire off, and then make your wire as simple as possible for your home built bike. So this is the introduction of how to use the reproduction main wire harness set on a reproduction with the engine, and for your reproduction home built bikes. Thank you.